Natural gas showed a good swing from 3.4 levels at the highs, and it has achieved the support levels at 3.02. These numbers 3.0205 we have discussed several times in our analysis that these are going to be a greater support level. With that as support, gas has closed the week at 3.08. What does this mean? Has it achieved the bottom? Can we expect it to reverse from here? Or is it again going to trade bearish? Which position you should take in order to trade profitably the natural gas in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators. As indicators do give us a good guidance, there's the price has retraced towards the 20 period, taking the support from this, we can expect a bounce back. And much more details with the help. And towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. Do watch till the end. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. I do release my daily updates on net gas with the Asia and Europe session. Do not miss that. Let's start. So if you notice here, see this was the consolidation zone for net gas 2.8 to 3.02 levels. And these were the levels from 3.02 where this breakout in gas has started, and since then we have seen it rallying towards 3.65. Now it has erased all the gains and it has dropped towards 3.05 levels, 3.02 levels, and stayed bearish. Also, if you notice on the 4-hour chart, it has been trading in this bearish channel. On the upside, now it has to break past by 3.4 in order to confirm a reversal. Yes, there is a gap also there at 3.5, 3.55 zone, which needs to be filled possibly. But right now, yes, it has filled this gap and it has breached and achieved lower lows. 3.0205 certainly is a great support, we all know. Now, if you notice, the last two candles were greener, but there is a resistance which is seen here. So first, I will expect it to break past by 3.15, the first resistance zone, then 3.22. If these two are taken, we are looking forward to 3.3, 3.4 levels in the coming week, and beyond 3.4 is where the bulls will be taking over. But right now, if you notice, one stronger bearish candle, retracement, then a stronger bearish move, then a retracement. So yes, it is still staying in this steeply retracement or steep bearish channel. It has to stay above 3.15 levels in the coming week in order to confirm further rise. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, drop, retracement, and again this down move has started. This is the first bearish candle after the breakout here. See, 3.15 was the support zone. It has breached this and it has come towards the next support levels here. Also importantly, the last candle has left a tail on the downside. And yes, one must note that this is almost the bottom which it is aspiring to achieve. A possible retracement from the current levels can be expected here. Thus, first we have to watch out if it breaks past by 3.15, and then if it breaks past by 3.3. If these two are taken, consider that gas prices have reversed and we are going to look forward to it. Also, if you notice, 3 to 4 candles are seen consolidating between 3.2 to 3.4 zone before it gave this breakout. Now, we have to wait specifically. If you notice, this is the zone where we have the maximum support for gas. Any move below below $3 levels, you can say there are going to be greater support levels as long as 2.9, 2.8 levels are respected. The possibility for it to bounce back from these levels will be very high. Again, I am reiterating the same. And the possibility for it to give another red candle, move towards 2.95, 2.9 zone is high before it reverses. That is also you should note. Coming to the week. Now, if you also notice on the weekly chart, see this was the bullish channel. It has achieved the peak. It has achieved the second highs here. And then now it is looking forward to the bottom. So where is the bottom for net gas? See, again, this zone is going to be a supreme support zone for net gas. Achieving those levels here, we can expect a possible stronger recovery in net gas. Be watchful of 2.8, $3 levels. I do not see it breaking below these levels sooner. These are markets do not work as per my expectation. Yes, the winter is almost on the door. The gas prices might see a rise. With the rise in demand, that is one probability one can also look at. But right now, yes. Also, if you look at the candle here, see one strong bearish candle, lower highs, lower lows, and see the body size is diminished here. This calls for a possible recovery from here, and any point of time, if you see it staying beyond 3.3, you can say that the prices are reversing and a rally from here can be expected. Now, this rally can take it towards the highs which we are looking forward to in the near term, that is 4.5 levels. Coming to the monthly chart. Now see on the monthly charts, flat top, higher lows. Yes, it is respecting higher lows here. And this is why I say the possibility for it to rise from here towards 3.4, 3.5 exists. And in fact, it is only to be treated bearish if it breaks past the preceding lows here. And specifically 2.8 zone, these levels are going to be prime and strongest support zone for net gas, even if it tries to trade bearish in the coming week. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. See on the monthly charts, there is an important event which has happened, that is the crossover of the 20 and 50 period moving average from close to 3.84 dollar levels. This is a bearish cross which is happening in net gas after months of bullish divergence. Yes, it has stayed divergent, it has stayed bullish, and since then it has dropped. Now it is taking a crossover here, and the prices are still divergent from the moving average. That is one point you should note. The monthly stochastic has also reached to overbought levels, and that is why we are looking forward to this drop where the red candle is seen. But look at MACD. See what has happened on MACD. It has seen extreme divergence here. It is traded extremely bearish. Now it is on the verge of a crossover. Also, if you notice, the gas prices have seen extreme fall, so a crossover from here may bring the bullishness in the gas prices in the near future. Right now, it is not showing any signs of a crossover at least. RSI comfortable here. Coming to the on the weekly charts, the moving averages have started to converge a bit. Now it is the prices were above 50 period. It is again converged towards the 20 period moving average. It is taking us support from the same levels, and hence the chances of a recovery becomes stronger from the current levels. And yes, the median of the Bollinger Bands at around 2.9 is another support levels which we will be looking forward to. The stochastic has dropped sharply. The MACD. Now, after the drop here, it is in a retracement. Look at the slope. The slope is gradual. The drop was sharper. Now, after a bit of green move, it is trying to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. Remember this fact. It can still continue on the upside. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the daily, if you look at the daily charts here, moving average is crossing over here, trading with divergence. It has converged. The price has moved towards the 100 period moving average and in fact has dropped below. Now the prices are trying to converge here. Moving averages are trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over. It is still in the greener zone. Any breakout, any move beyond 3.4 should be taken up seriously, where we are going to look forward to the highs at 3.8 and $4 levels. Stochastic has dropped. It is looking downwards. The MACD. Now look at MACD. This is trading with divergence and bearishness. It has hit a bottom, or it can possibly bounce back. So far for last few weeks and months, gas is just hovering around zero levels. The lows are far below, far below. Does this mean that if it once it moves towards the bottom, the prices are going to turn zero? The answer is no, but yes, right now it is trading with the bearish bias at $3 levels. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts, yes, the crossover here, the divergence here, the bearishness, the divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge. Possibility of it getting resistance at 3.15 is strong, and then 3.2. If these two levels are taken, possibly we may see the bullish move in gas where the prices might achieve little highs. The stochastic has come to oversold levels. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. It can possibly converge. The RSI has hit a. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can profit trading net gas next. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch starts on 20th of November, couple of days from now, that is the Monday, and you can, couple of seats are still available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can get the details and register at my platform forexfunda.com. Here are the details. See, once you visit the site, here on the front page itself, you'll find the details on the features tab, where the timings, the curriculum, this services which you'll get along with the prices and the booking options are available here. You can fill in your details, proceed ahead with the payment and reserve your. Also, if you want to get more insights and have any questions, you can join my live webinar session. The registration link is mentioned here. The next is the availability of the economic calendar, where you can get the data releases from across the globe, across the markets. You can have the markets data here, where you can do the live charting with the help of advanced tools and strategies. And yes, you can also schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And the important part is the discussion forum. Visit the platform forexfunda.com and reserve your seats for the webinar and for the mentorship. And yes, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my Telegram signals channel. Reach out to me for more details on same via Telegram or email itself. All the links, all the IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the levels where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy here at 3.1. We can look forward to 3.15 as the 1514 as the major resistance zone. If 1415 levels are taken, 3.14 also let me mention. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to 3.2 levels here, the next mile. Now beyond 3.2, the next target is towards 3.3. Now this is the zone natural gas needs to break pass by. If it stays beyond this, certainly direct lending to 3.38, and then this time we are looking forward to 3.5, 3.6, the chances of which are less. Remember, the chances of which are less that it is going to break towards or upwards 3.6 levels in the month of November. The possibility is there that it can retrace, however remain range bound, and thus 3.4 levels are going to remain the greater resistance. Beyond 3.4 is where the bulls will be taking over. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 3.05, next target 3.02, and this time we are going to look below 3.02 towards 2.96 levels, the next support zone. Now 2.96, 2.94, this is the first support zone, and which is a very strong support on the downside. Below this, you can expect more bearishness towards 2.9, 2.84, and then 2.8 levels. Be careful, it might and it will get very strong support in between this complete levels from 2.8 to $3 levels. 2.95, 2.9 should be the greatest support. In fact, even if it tries to drop, and the possibility of a reversal from these levels will be very high. Thus, you should take a note of this. Only below bearishness is if you see the gas staying below 2.8. Else, I do expect possibility of a reversal from the current levels. 3.3, 3.4 levels might get achieved, and beyond 3.4 is where the bulls will take over. However, it is only about 3.6. You can say that the prices have reversed and a rally is to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, and yes, do watch the daily analysis. Join my webinar, join the signals channel. You can watch or you can find the details in my free Telegram channel or in my platform forexunda.com. Visit those. Thank you very much.